Welcome to your Thursday assignment. I'm so excited that it's Thursday because that means one day until I go camping. I'm going camping this weekend with my mom for her birthday, and I'm so excited. Today, I'm also excited because we're going to continue our lesson on graphs and graphing. Today, we're going to be learning about picture graphs. And no, I'm not talking about a picture that looks like this, or a picture that looks like this, or even a picture that looks like this. I'm talking about the kind of picture that's found in a picture graph. So a picture graph is just like the other types of graphs that we've been learning. It tells the same type of information. It gives you a title, it gives you the type of information, and it gives you the number or the amount. The main difference is that the way that the data is represented is not by an X or by a bar, it's represented by a picture. So for birds, there are two birds, so there are two pictures of a bird. How many dogs are there? There are 5 dogs, and we know that because we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures of the dog. Today, your assignment is going to be to create your own picture graph, and you're going to do that around your house. So you're going to choose one room in your house, and then you're going to count the number of objects you find that fall into each type of shape. So that would be things like circular objects, rectangular objects, and triangular objects. I looked around my living room for circular objects, and these are a couple of them that I found. I also looked for triangular objects. So those are shaped sort of like a triangle. And I looked for rectangular objects. So those are square or rectangular shaped. Once you've found your objects, you're going to keep a tally mark of them in the box. So I found 10 circular objects, so I'm going to make 10 tally marks. And I found 7 triangular objects, so I'm going to make 7 tally marks. And I found 12 rectangular objects, so I'm going to make 12 tally marks. Once you've made your tally marks, you're going to be making your picture graph. So, for circular objects, I'm going to use a circle. How many circles am I going to draw? I'm going to draw 10 circles because I had 10 tally marks. How many rectangles am I going to draw? I'm going to draw 12 rectangles because I found 12 rectangular objects. How many triangles am I going to draw? I'm going to draw 7 triangles because I found 7 triangular objects. Once you've completed your picture graph, you're going to answer the questions in the box below, and you need to answer them using a complete sentence. Which room in your house did you use? I used my living room. According to the picture graph, which shape did you find the most of? So which shape did I find the most of? I found rectangular shapes the most. According to the picture graph, which shape did you find the least of? Well, which shape did I find the least of? I found triangular shapes the least.